In this video, we'll see how to hide or show parts in a Word document. When you are working on a long document, you may want to focus on a particular part of the document. For example, you need to work on the section that's been highlighted. In such cases, you can hide or collapse other parts of the document. This will help you to conveniently focus on the required part. To be able to do that, you must have used heading styles to format the titles. To hide or collapse a part of the document, place the mouse cursor on the left of a title, till you see the collapse symbol. Just click the symbol. All content under the title is hidden, and the collapse symbol changes to expand symbol. When you hide content under a particular heading, then the subheadings will be hidden. And, you'll be able to see the next visible section with the same heading level style, or with the level higher. As an example, if you have collapsed content under a title formatted as heading 2, all the content till the next heading 2, or heading 1, whichever comes first, is hidden. Similarly, if you have collapsed content under a title formatted as heading 3, all the content till the next heading 3, heading 2, or heading 1, whichever comes first, is hidden. To expand or show a part that is hidden, or collapsed, click the expand symbol on the left of the title. All content under the title are now displayed, and the symbol changes to collapse symbol. These are the techniques through which you can hide or display parts in a document. Thank you for watching this video.